Hey Coptrz crew! Welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for all things drones, training and industry insights. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's changing the game for professional drone pilots. How SORA compares to the old risk assessment models. What's changed, what's better, and why should you care? Stick around, we've got answers. Before SORA came onto the scene, drone pilots had to rely on a mix of manual risk assessments, self-developed safety cases, and bespoke applications to the CAA. There was no universal process, which meant risk assessments varied from one operator to the next. Long approval times, lots of guesswork, and inconsistent safety standards. It worked, kind of, but it wasn't scalable. And it definitely wasn't friendly for people trying to grow in the drone space. SORA, the Specific Operations Risk Assessment, changes everything by introducing a standardised, structured and scalable method for assessing risk. Here's what's new. A clear process. Operators follow defined steps based on the mission's complexity. Quantified risk levels, like ground risk class and air risk class. Tailored mitigations based on your operation and not just a checklist. More flexibility, especially for advanced missions like BVLOS or urban flights. The result? Faster approvals, better safety, and a more professional industry. Let's say you're flying a drone near a built-up area for a survey job. Old model, you'd create your own safety case, hope it ticks the right boxes, and wait weeks for feedback. Maybe more if you miss something. With SORA, you followed a structured process, assessed the actual ground and air risks, apply relevant mitigations, and build the case the CAA can review more efficiently. SORA brings the UK drone industry in line with global aviation standards. That means easier collaboration across borders, bigger commercial opportunities, more trust in drone technology, and a clearer path for operators of all sizes. It's not just about safety, it's about unlocking what's next for the industry. At Coptrz, we've helped hundreds of drone professionals transition from the old model to SORA, with training, support, and expert guidance every step of the way. Whether you're brand new or looking to level up, we'll help you understand SORA and apply it confidently to your operations. Link in the description to book a chat with one of our SORA specialists. So, what's the difference between SORA and all methods? Old way, clunky and inconsistent. SORA, streamlined, smart and built for the future of flight. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe and let us know in the comments if you've started working with SORA yet. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a video.